Right, so this is James with the Clio 1.2. So I'm almost ready to stick the head back on. I'm just trying to deburr the witness marks on the pistons. So stuck blue tack around the edge to stop any of the sandpaper grit from getting between the piston and the bore and sanding it down. That would be bad. So yeah, I'll get to it. So apologies in advance. I was experimenting with the time warp function on my GoPro and thought it would record sound once I normalised the speed. It didn't.
Well, that's too bad then.
So, yeah. Sorry.
Now, you didn't really think I was going to make you sit through this without a rock track, did you?
It all works now. Well, I say all works. I still need to attach the turbo, put coolant in it, do the valve clearances again, and just buttoning up really. But yeah, as in case you couldn't tell from the video, it runs, and I'm happy.